Welcome to everyone joining today. Today we're going to do file management, one of the units in computer practice in 5. So as stated, you would have to retrieve files from either your common drive or either your desktop, depending where it is placed. So firstly, we're going to look at 5.1. So firstly, I would like you to open a Word document. So this is where you would place your print screen or your printouts. So we have 3 questions that we need to complete today. And then you would open the first one. So yes, just minimize that. Then we would listen or read through our instruction. So firstly, they say we need to open the folder radio in computer practice in 5. And then we need to create a subfolder which is called regional and national in the radio folder. So I'm already at home, the subfolder which is called regional. So I'm gonna put on caps lock, press enter, and then national folder. Yes, folder. Okay, just refresh. Okay, so that is 5.1.2 done. Rename the OF file to Josie FM in the radio file. So we need to rename this file. Rename to Josie FM. Press enter. Then it says we need to create an Excel file, live FM. We're already at home. Select a new item. New item. Or you can just press right click, click on new, and then you click Excel. Live FM. Live FM. Enter. And then we have to delete. We have to delete the FM file, 5FM file. Just on your keyboard, press delete. Delete. And then we have to create a PowerPoint file, which is Whoop FM. So I'm just gonna right click, new, into PowerPoint, Whoop FM. So select, display the content of the radio folder. Make a screen print of these commands, ensure that your header is done correctly. So we're gonna go back to our Word document, which is this one. Just gonna open that. Then we're gonna go to insert, screen print, and the file should be open here. And there we have our screen print. So usually, just have a look, minimize, make this picture large, go to our Windows file. If you want to insert the screen print, you will have a big screen, so you can crop this picture. So everything is not necessary there. So you can bring it in, click on the white, drag it out for the lecturer to see, just to place it in the middle. You put it behind text. Remember, very important, you need to write your student number, question number as well. 5.1. Then you just click save, close the document, and you are done with that particular question. Just going to put this to the side. So now we're going to do 5.2. So we need to open our Word document first. We minimize it. We'll look at the instruction. So it says in 5.2, open the subfolder National in the radio folder. Okay, it is open. 5.2.2, create an access file, KFM. So access file, you can just click new, and then you create the SS database file, which stands, we have to make it KFM. Just press enter. Then we have to move the Lotus file, Lotus FM, from the radio folder to the national folder. So we select Lotus, we cut, we go back to the national file, we paste. Then it says we need to sort according to a descending order. I'm just going to maximize my screen for all to see. So we go to view, né? Then we go to sort. Then you see ascending is marked off. You need to make it descending. So I'm going to minimize my screen again. And I believe that's all the instructions we need to do. Display the content of the national subfolder. Make a screen print of this command. Ensure that your header is done correctly. Okay, so now you just go to your Word file, insert, screenshot, and there we have our file. As you can see, it's a bit small, so you can crop it a bit, and just drag it out. It's a bit clear. So save your work, then we close that file. Now we're at 5.3. They say we need to go to the regional subfolder. We need to create a Word file checker Karanda FM in the regional folder. We just go to home, let's go into new item, Microsoft Word document, and the name is Jacaranda FM. Just press enter. 5.3.4 says create an Excel file SAFM in the regional folder. New item, Excel file SAFM. And then we have to create or move. Né? Move the file KFM from the national subfolder to the regional subfolder. So we have to go back. Né? Go to the national folder, KFM, move. You can also use this function, move to. But you can see here, It's a lot of documentation. So it's a general challenge at times to move um, that way, but hence we prefer cutting the file, which is your scissor here, or you can use the right click, then you go to cut, you go to the original folder, right click, paste. That's just another method to move or cut and paste. Now we create a PowerPoint file in the original folder. Just go to new item, select Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and make sure that your spelling is correct. Then press enter. Change the view of the icon to list. So hence we need to go to view, then we have to list these files. Now you'll see it is in a list format, and that is the last question. Just gonna make my screen large. Go to my Word document. Okay, so I have not opened the Word. Okay, let's just open the Word. Open our Word document. Make it big. Insert, screenshot. Then we take a screen grab of that. Right click on the picture. You're able to crop there. Remember, this is a list file, so you can crop it a bit to the half of the screen. And ensure that you do insert data correctly with your examination number. I'm just typing a number and then the question number that we have completed, 5.3. And that is it for question 5. Just ask in the comments if you need any further videos. That is file management for computer practice in 5.